In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Device View on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to work on. From your dashboard, head into your website so you're looking at your pages and content. Choose the specific page you want to modify, then click Edit to enter the Fluid Engine editor. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the grid and your content blocks on the canvas. Now look to the top right corner of the editor toolbar and click the mobile view icon. It looks like a small phone. This switches the canvas into a mobile focused workspace so you can design with a smaller screen in mind. As soon as you enter device view, a row of device icons appears above the preview area. These represent common breakpoints such as phone, tablet, and desktop. Click any of these icons to preview how your layout responds at that size. Take a moment to flip between them. You're not changing anything yet. You're just auditing how text wraps, how images scale, and whether sections feel balanced. Pay special attention to headings that might break awkwardly, buttons that feel cramped, and images that crop too tightly on smaller screens. When you're in mobile view, you can make adjustments that only apply to mobile. This is one of the strengths of Fluid Engine. Drag blocks to reorder content so it reads in a logical vertical flow. Resize blocks to improve spacing and legibility. For example, make a button full width to improve tap targets. Adjust alignment so text isn't squeezed edge to edge, and ensure images are centered and clear. These edits create a mobile-specific layout override, leaving your desktop design intact. If something looks off after a move, use undo to step back and try a smaller adjustment. Aim for clarity and simplicity, fewer columns, generous spacing, and readable font sizes. When you're happy with the changes you've made in mobile view, click Save to apply your layout adjustments. Saving commits the device-specific layout while keeping your original desktop layout in place. If you want reassurance, toggle back to the desktop icon and confirm nothing shifted there. Remember, edits you make in mobile view do not affect the desktop version of your site. That separation gives you the flexibility to design confidently for small screens without compromising your larger layouts. That's it. By logging in, opening your page, switching to device view, previewing across icons, refining blocks just for mobile, and saving, you'll ensure your Squarespace 7.1 site looks polished on every device.